Greetings to you all. Let's get into something that can change your life forever if you truly understand it. The universe is always listening to you. It's not a distant force or an abstract idea. It's here, right now, responsive to your thoughts, feelings, and intentions. But most people don't realize this, and that's where the problem lies. You see, we are constantly in communication with the universe, whether we realize it or not. Every thought we have, every feeling we experience, sends a message out into the universe. It's like a radio signal that never stops broadcasting. So, the question is, what kind of message are you sending? Let's start with a simple truth: everything you see in your life, every situation, every person, and every outcome, is a direct result of the thoughts and beliefs you've held. If you're in a place where things aren't going well, it's not because the universe is working against you. It's simply reflecting what's going on inside of you. But here's the beautiful part: you can change all of that. The moment you start shifting your thoughts, the universe shifts with you. It's always listening, waiting for you to tune into a new frequency. But how do you do that? How do you make the universe work for you? First, you must understand that your thoughts are powerful. They are not just fleeting ideas or distractions. They are the seeds from which your reality grows. If you constantly think thoughts of lack, of not having enough, or that you're unworthy, then that's what the universe will give you. It's not because it wants to punish you, but because it's reflecting back the energy you're putting out. So, what can you do to change this? Start by paying attention to the thoughts you think. Are they focused on what you lack, or on what you want to create? Are you thinking in terms of abundance, love, success, and health, or are you focused on fear, scarcity, and doubt? The first step in making the universe work for you is to choose thoughts that align with what you want to experience. If you want to attract more love into your life, start thinking loving thoughts about yourself and others. If you want more abundance, start imagining yourself living a life of prosperity. The universe responds to this energy. It's that simple. Next, understand that your feelings are just as important as your thoughts. Feelings are the energy that fuels your thoughts. You can think positive thoughts, but if you're not feeling the joy, excitement, or gratitude that comes with those thoughts, then the universe won't recognize them as true desires. It's the combination of thought and feeling that sends the most powerful signal to the universe. So, start paying attention to how you feel throughout the day. Are you feeling excited about the possibilities in your life? Are you grateful for everything you have? If not, try to shift your feelings. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools you have in aligning yourself with the universe. When you feel grateful, you open the door for more of what you want to flow into your life. Another key element in making the universe work for you is the art of assumption. This is the practice of assuming that what you want has already happened. You no longer wait for the world around you to show you results. Instead, you begin to live as if your desires have already come true. For example, if you're looking for a new job, instead of worrying about whether or not you'll get it, start acting as though you already have the job. Walk with confidence. Speak with certainty. Feel the joy of already being employed in your dream role. This is not pretending or faking it. It's aligning your internal world with the external world you wish to create. This is where many people go wrong. They ask the universe for something, but they continue to live as though it hasn't happened. They keep looking for evidence that their desires are on the way, but the key is to trust that the universe is already working on your behalf. It's already in motion. Your job is to align with that energy and believe, without a doubt, that it is already done. Now, there's a very important aspect of this that must be mentioned. Patience. The universe doesn't operate on the same timeline as you do. It doesn't work according to your schedule. This is one of the hardest parts for many people to grasp. They want their desires to show up right away. They want instant results. But the universe has its own way of bringing things into your life. It's not about waiting for something to happen, but rather, knowing that it will. Trust the process. Trust that what you have asked for is already making its way to you. This brings us to another key factor, detachment. You must learn to detach from the outcome. When you are too attached to the how or when, you are sending out energy of lack and impatience. This is where many people get stuck. They ask the universe for something and then get anxious when it doesn't show up immediately. They begin to doubt if it will ever happen. But the moment you let go of your attachment to the outcome, the universe begins to move in ways you can't even imagine. You must trust that it's on its way, and that you don't need to control how it arrives. When you let go of the need for control, you open yourself up to the magic of the universe. Things begin to unfold in ways that are often better than you could have planned. This is where the true power of the universe lies, in its ability to deliver exactly what you need, even if it's not in the way you expected. Another powerful tool is visualization. Spend time each day vividly imagining the life you want to create. See it in your mind's eye as clearly as you can. Feel it. Touch it. Smell it. Hear it. The more you can immerse yourself in the experience of your desires, the more the universe will respond. It's not enough to just think about what you want, you must live it in your imagination. The universe responds to the energy you put out, and visualization is one of the most effective ways to align your energy with what you want. But even as you visualize and align your thoughts and feelings with your desires, remember that the universe works on its own time. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, and know that everything is always in perfect timing. When you let go of the need to rush, you open yourself up to receiving things in the most beautiful way possible. One last important point, your words have power. The things you say to yourself and to others send out a vibration to the universe. Are you speaking in terms of possibility, or in terms of limitation? Are you affirming the life you want, or are you focusing on what's not working? Every word you speak is like a prayer, sending out an energetic signal. Speak with intention. Speak as though your desires are already manifesting. Your words shape your reality, so use them wisely. The universe is always listening. It is always responding to you. The key is to tune into the frequency of what you want. When you align your thoughts, feelings, assumptions, and actions with what you desire, the universe cannot help but deliver. It's not magic. It's the law of attraction. And when you understand this and live in harmony with it, you'll begin to see miracles unfold in your life. So, the next time you find yourself wondering why things aren't going the way you want, stop and ask yourself, what message am I sending out to the universe? What thoughts, feelings, and assumptions am I holding? If you want the universe to work for you, you must align with it. And once you do, you'll be amazed at how quickly everything begins to shift. The universe is always listening. It's always ready to respond. The question is, are you ready to listen to it, too? The universe will respond in kind. It always does. But you must be ready to receive. And receiving isn't just about getting what you want, it's about being open to the flow of abundance that is already present in your life. The more you align yourself with this flow, the more you'll find that opportunities, people, and situations begin to appear effortlessly. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions are the keys to unlocking the universe's potential in your life. When you align your energy with what you want, you become a magnet for everything that matches that vibration. This is not about begging for what you want, but about allowing yourself to receive it freely and confidently. If you're still unsure of how to begin, remember that the simplest step is to start with belief. Believe that the universe is always working for you, not against you. Believe that everything you desire is already on its way, even if you can't see it yet. When you start with belief, everything else follows naturally. I want to encourage you to stay committed to this practice. Even on the days when it seems like nothing is happening, keep going. Trust that the universe is listening and that your desires are being made manifest in perfect timing. The universe is always listening to you, so make sure you're sending out the right energy, and trust that everything you need will come to you at the right time. If you found value in this message today, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second, and it helps us bring more content like this to you. You don't want to miss the next videos we'll be sharing. I would also love for you to leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences. It's great to hear how these teachings are impacting your life. And, if you've enjoyed this message, make sure to share it with someone who might benefit from it. Spread the word so we can all continue growing together. One more thing, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. You can't afford to miss the next step in creating the life you truly want. We're just getting started, and I'm excited to continue this journey with you. So, like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more.